Once upon a time, there lived a poor villager in a small village. He was a kind and hard-working man, but he had never gone to school. Because of this, he could not read or write. Whenever he saw educated people reading books, letters, and newspapers, he felt amazed. One day, a merchant came to the village. The villagers noticed that the merchant wore a pair of spectacles while reading a newspaper. A few days later, he saw a teacher reading a book with spectacles. Then he saw a government officer wearing spectacles while writing documents. The villager began to think, all these educated people wear spectacles. Perhaps spectacles are the reason they can read and write. If I buy a pair, I will become educated too. The idea stayed in his mind for many days. Finally, he decided to visit the town and buy a pair of spectacles. The next morning, he walked many miles to the town market. After searching for some time, he found a spectacles shop. He entered the shop and said politely, "Sir, I want a pair of spectacles that will help me read and write." The shopkeeper smiled and replied, "Certainly. Let us see which pair suits you." He handed the villager a book and a pair of spectacles. The villager put them on and stared at the pages. He frowned and shook his head. "I still cannot read," he said. The shopkeeper gave him another pair, then another and another. The villager tried many spectacles, but the words still made no sense to him. After a long time, he became frustrated. "You are wasting my time," he shouted. "These spectacles are useless. None of them help me read." The shopkeeper looked carefully at the villager and noticed something strange. "My friend," he asked gently, "can you read at all?" The villager replied honestly, "No, I cannot. That is why I came here. I thought spectacles would teach me how to read." The shopkeeper laughed kindly and said, "My dear friend, spectacles can only help people see more clearly. They cannot teach reading or writing. To learn those things, you must go to school and study." The villager felt embarrassed, but he also realized his mistake. "You are right," he said. "I was foolish to think that knowledge could be bought in a shop." The shopkeeper encouraged him to learn. The villager returned home and joined an adult education class. He worked hard every day. He learned the alphabet, then words, and finally whole books. After several months, he could read letters, newspaper, and stories by himself. One day he returned to the town and visited the same shop. The shopkeeper recognized him immediately. "How are you, my friend?" he asked. The villager smiled and proudly read a newspaper aloud. The shopkeeper was delighted. "You have learned the true secret of knowledge," he said. The villager nodded and replied, "Yes, hard work and education are more important than spectacles." From that day on, he encouraged others in his village to study and learn. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.